Today we're going to take a look at how do I solve a system of equations using elimination with multiplication. Example 1. Let's fill in our steps below. Make sure equations are in standard form. This would allow us to choose a variable to eliminate. Step 2. Multiply so that a coefficient of one of the variables are opposite. Just take a look at the example problem. You can see that none of the coefficients are opposite, and multiplying one of the equations by -1 will still not make the coefficient opposite. So what can we do at this point? We would have to multiply the second equation by -4. So let's go ahead and multiply the second equation by -4. Doing so would give us -8x plus 20y is equal to 108. Step 3, we are going to rewrite the new system below. Take a look at the original. So here's our new system. Okay, let's go ahead and add or subtract the equation to eliminate a variable. So we're going to eliminate the x variable and solve for y, which will leave us with 17y is equal to -119. Divide both sides by 17, which will leave us with y is equal to -7. Okay, step 4, we're going to choose one of the original equation and substitute the value that you just found and solve for the other variable. We just solve for y, which is -7. Here's our original equation, and we're going to use the top equation to substitute in our y value. When we solve, that leaves us with x is equal to -4. Step 5, we want to write the solution to the system, leaving us with -4, -7. Example 2. Solve the system of equation by elimination. Looking at our original problem, the equations are already in standard form, but there are no opposite coefficients, and we cannot multiply just one equation by something. We would have to multiply both equations by different numbers so that we would have opposite coefficients. So let's take a look what we need to do. So we would have to multiply the top equation by 4 and the bottom equation by -5. This would allow us to eliminate the x variable. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Now let's solve using steps 1 through 5 from example number 1. So the first step we would want to do is eliminate we're solving for the y. So we're going to eliminate. So we're going to eliminate the x variable and solve for y. So let's go ahead and add, which will leave us with -80y is equal to -160. Divide both sides by -80, leaving us with y is equal to 2. Step 4, we're going to substitute the value of y back into the original equation. 5x minus 10 times 2 is equal to -10. Go ahead and eliminate the 20, leaving us with 5x is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 2. Step 5, we want to write the solution to the system, leaving us with 2, 2. Hope that makes sense. Let's look at solving this system involving a special case. We got 2 cases, so let's look at the first one. We have -x minus 2y is equal to 5, -2x minus 4y is equal to 10. So we're looking to see what variable we can eliminate. So we're going to multiply the top equation by -2. That will leave us with 2x plus 4y is equal to -10. Now we're going to eliminate one of our variable. But look what happens. Eliminate my x, leaving me with 0 is equal to 0. Does 0 equal 0? You bet. Our answer is infinitely many solutions. Let's look at the second case. 3x plus 5y is equal to 18. 3x plus 5y is equal to 22. Let's look to see which variable we can eliminate. Let's take a look at the bottom. Multiply by -1, so we can have opposite coefficients. Leaves me with -3x and +3. I can eliminate. So after we do our elimination, we have 0. Okay, let's go ahead and add. 0 is equal to -4. Does 0 equal -4? That is a false statement. Therefore, we can conclude that this is no solution. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, rewatch as many times as you like.